very difficult to find a Bengali who can relish dal and roti, and it's equally difficult to find one who doesn't love torka. Torka or tarka as you may call it, the name is elusive because tarka means temperate, but here in Bengal, the dish itself is called torka. Torka kinds of resembles the maki dal or the kali dal of Punjab. However, it has been moderated and alterated so much that now it has kind of gained a place amongst the gastronomic delights of Bengal. And it is the go-to food and the comfort food of all Bengalis. Be it a college graduate, be it an office goer, anybody. And you have no reason why not to love torka. It is flavorful, inexpensive, and it can be made with basic pantry ingredients. So let's learn how to make torka.
For cooking torka, we require the following vegetables. These are available easily in almost everybody's pantry. Torka is usually made with green masoor dal and chana dal. However, you can also add rajma to it. We need 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2/3 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, and 1 teaspoon each of turmeric powder and Kashmiri red chili powder. Lastly, we need some eggs, which we'll use in the later part of the recipe, some kasuri methi and some butter. Now let's start the cooking process. I have used mustard oil out here, but you can use any other oil as per your taste. Torka gets its main flavor from the fat which is infused in it. I have used out here mutton fat. You can use ghee if you are a vegetarian. Once the oil is ready, I'll now add the onions and let it sweat. Once the onion has become translucent and soft, I'll add the garlic and the ginger. Next in line, I'll add the green chilies and the tomatoes and also add some salt. Once the vegetables have become mushy, I'll add the spice mix which I had prepared earlier. I'll also sprinkle some water during the cooking process. Once the masala is cooked and it starts separating the oil, now you can add the pulses. The pulses should be soaked overnight. However, if you have planned lately or you're running late, you can also soak it for 4 to 5 hours. It will do fine. However, in that case, you need to just boil it longer. I'll saute the tarka pulses with the spice mix and the vegetables for a while. After adding salt, I'll cover it and cook it for a minute or two. I'll transfer it to a pressure cooker now and will let it whistle for 3 times. However, if you have soaked it only for 3 to 4 hours or 5 hours in that case, you can put an extra whistle. After 3 whistles, we will check whether the dal or the pulses has been cooked perfectly or not. If required, we can put a whistle more. If you want to eat, you can eat just the way it is. However, if you want to get the actual taste of the torka which is served in the roadside dhabas, you need to toil a bit more. And how will you impart the taste of the roadside dhabas into your tarka or torka without some makhan, which is the name of butter in India? You may also use ghee in this part. Now we need to transfer the boiled pulses into a smoking hot pan laden with some butter and fry it with minced ginger, garlic, some onion, green chilies and tomatoes. Torka is the Bengali child which has taken birth from a Punjabi mother. And how can you complete torka without some kasuri methi? And last but not the least, some more helping of butter. For the viewers who want to keep it vegetarian, you may skip the next part of the video. Now comes the real deal of the torka as it is served in Bengal. The egg. Deem torka is very famous in Bengal. There are also various other versions of torka, chicken torka, mutton torka. There are also some dhabas which add a ladle of chicken gravy into the torka in order to give it the distinct taste. I personally feel adding egg to the torka is more about the texture than the flavor. Once you add the egg on the torka, just let it sit. Lower down the flame. Do not use your ladle. Once the egg starts cooking, just fold it with the torka dal. Here we intend to have a gooey and a creamy consistency. If you want, you can also use scrambled egg on top. But trust me, this is how it is done in the roadside dhabas. After adding the egg, do not cook the torka for longer. It is already ready. Just garnish it with some coriander leaves and it is ready to be served. Torka tastes best with tandoori roti or rumali roti. However, at home I have served it with normal chapatis and trust me, it tastes no less. Do make it with your loved ones and get the taste of roadside dhabas of Bengal served on your plate.